Connect your Airtable application with Google Spreadsheets in such a way that every time you add a new record here, the same data will be automatically added as a new row into the Google Spreadsheets. And this is how you can automatically create a backup of your Airtable data with Google Spreadsheets in real time. And we are going to connect these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect, and firstly you will have to sign up for free. And this is how you can reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Firstly, you will have to click on this button create workflow and simply give a name to your workflow, to your automation. I'm providing the name as sync Airtable data with Google Sheets in real time. Click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you. Those are trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. According to our use case, whenever a new record is added in Airtable application, add new row in Google Sheets application. So that is why the trigger application here will be the Airtable. And in the trigger event, since I want whenever a new record is added, this automation should trigger. So that is why the trigger event will be new record. Now we are going to connect our Airtable application with the Pabbly Connect. So go with add new connection and it is asking for the token. So when you will click on this account, you will be redirected to the page where you will find the token. Here's the token, copy and paste it in the Pabbly Connect, and this is how your Airtable application will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After successful connection, you will have to select the base and the table. So we have the base name as the blog writing project all blog list. So we are going to search for the same. And in the table name, well, we have the table 1 as the name, which has got selected. So we do not have to do anything. Now it is the turn for the trigger field. So you will have to read the instructions, and as per the instruction, you will have to create a new field with the name created, and the field type should be the created time. So go back to your Airtable application, click on this plus icon and provide the name as the created, and field type should be created type as per the instructions. Okay, I have selected the same, and the date format and time format should be according to your choice, and click on create field and you will see the field will be created automatically. Let me delete this extra field. After that, when you will come back to Pabbly Connect and refresh this field, you will find the same field here in the Pabbly Connect as well. Now you will have to click on this button save and send test request, and you will see the data of your Airtable application will be fetched out here as the response in the Pabbly Connect. Let me show you the details one by one. The fields written by dummy right. Okay, let me cross check. So the most recent data has been added to the Airtable application was this, and you can see the details of the same has been captured here. Let me even show you other details. The published status is publish. Okay, you can see. Let us check other details as well. So we have the blog URL, we have the blog title as how to send notification to team when payment is received in Stripe. Okay, let us check how to send notification to team whenever the payment is received in Stripe. So it is the same data. So that means the first step of our automation is completed. Now we are going to sync the same data with our Google Sheets application. So in the next application, you will have to select for the Google Sheets, and in the action event, we will go with this add new row, because we want that whenever a new record is added here in Airtable, a new row should be added in the Google Sheets and the data should be added. Click on add new connection, connect with Google Sheets and provide the access of your Google Sheets account. Click on continue. Now once the authorization is successful, your Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking to select the spreadsheet. So we have the spreadsheet name as content writing project backup from Airtable. So let me search for the same. Well, it has selected automatically, and even the select sheet is also filled out automatically. Here you can see the sheet 1 and the sheet 1. Now finally, we need to fill the data of these fields one by one from the data which we have captured in the above step. And we don't need to copy this data and paste it here manually. If you will click on this field, you will find the same data, the above data here in the drop down. Simply select the same, the blog title, search for the same. Here's the blog title. The blog URL, again search for the same. Here's the blog URL, and we have the published date written by blog status. Again, we are going to map the rest of the fields in the same manner. So this is how you can map the data in these fields one by one, and if you have mapped the data, don't worry, these data will be replaced automatically when this automation is going to work in the real time. Now I'm going to scroll down. If I'll click on this button, you will see the same data will be added here in my spreadsheet automatically. So let's click on that. So going back to Google Sheets, and here you can see the same data has been added automatically into my spreadsheet. So this is how now onwards, whenever you are going to add new data here, the same data will be automatically reflected in the Google Sheets, and this is how you can create a backup in your Google Sheets from your Airtable application.